More than half of large-scale plant projects face delays, cost overruns, or design rework. The reason? Hidden surprises that appear only after construction begins. But what if you could see your entire plant, pipes, machines, structures in 3D before a single brick is laid? What if your plant could tell you what's about to break down? With BIM, digital twins, sensors, and AI, this isn't science fiction. It's already here. In mastering plant engineering through digitalization and automation, industry expert Soumen Roy and his co-author S.B. Sengupta, bringing 27+ years of global experience across India, Indonesia, and Canada, share practical insights to help engineers and organizations transition from firefighting to foresight. For young engineers, this book provides an edge in employability and global relevance. For senior engineers, it redefines workflows and equips you for the future of smart plants. The future of plant engineering is digital, connected, and intelligent. The question is, are you ready to lead it?